Hi everyone. Most of you are finding difficult in doing esterification, right? So today's topic is esterification. So for esterification, we need two functional groups. Okay. So what are they? Alcohol and acid. Okay. Without this, you will not get ester, right? So alcohol. What is the general formula? CnH2n plus 1 OH, right? Same way for carboxylic acid, CnH2n plus 1 COOH, right? So easily we can, for example, ethanol, right? So ethanol is C2H5OH. That means 2 carbon atoms, 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So H5OH, right? But when you write acid, you can, for example, if I say this is ethanol, right? If I say propanoic acid, okay, what acid? Propanoic acid. So that root word itself says prop, in the sense 3 carbon atoms, right? So while writing, I'll give you a tip. First, write one acid group, okay? So there are 3 carbon atoms. Prop, na 3 carbon atoms. That one carbon atom goes as acid. Remaining, how many carbon atoms are there? 2 carbon atoms. Like that, if you write in the sense the general form, with the general formula, you can easily derive the formula for that acid. So C2 H2 into 2 plus 1, right? So that means 2 carbon atoms. So 2 into 2 plus 1, that means 5. So C2H5COOH, which is propanoic acid. Okay, I'll tell you, I'll give you one more so that it's easy for you to write. So for example, ethanoic acid, okay? Ethanoic acid, the root word eth shows 2 carbon atoms, right? So as I said, one carbon atom, put it as a acid, and the other carbon atom, now only 2 carbon atoms, now eth in the sense. So one carbon atom, that means C1. So what about hydrogen? 2 into 1 plus 1, right? 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So that means CH3COOH, right? So now alcohol, the same formula acid, just you have to do like this to find the exact formula, right? Okay, now we will see esterification reaction. So what is it? When an acid reacts with alcohol, when an acid reacts with alcohol, you get ester. When esterification reaction takes place, it evolves water molecule, right? Water, ester plus water. So this ester, what smell? Fruity smell, okay? Or a pleasant smell you get when you get ester, okay? So acid, shall we take ethanoic acid here? Ethanoic acid is CH3COOH, okay? I write ethanoic acid over here. So when ethanoic acid reacts with methanol, what is the formula? CH3OH. What is it? Methanol. Okay, when methanol reacts with ethanoic acid, you get methyl ethanoate. The thing is, what ester? Methyl ethanoate. So while writing the formula, you have to write the ester group first. So you should understand like CH3, COO. I mean, like I'll show you here the OH from the acid group and the hydrogen from the alcohol group goes as water. Okay, if you take it remove like this, so you'll understand easily. CH3CO, then what? The other O is here, right? Now what you have to write? This O, I mean this O, then CH3. Okay, you are not supposed to write CH3O, right? So CH3COO, CH3. This CH3, this CO, I mean, one CO, right? This OH goes as water. So that means this O and then CH3, right? So while writing the formula, you have to write the acid first, then alcohol, right? So I'll write here acid, then alcoholic group, right? But while naming it, how will you name it? Methyl ethanoate, right? Methyl ethanoate. That means the alcoholic group comes first and acid comes next. So I'll write here alcohol first, acid next, right? So this is just to keep in mind, okay? So that because people always get confusion with this only, okay? So first, what we have, the acid we have written here, and then some alcohol near CH3, right? Methyl. So while writing the name methyl ethanoate, so shall I give one more example? Like for example, if it is methanoic acid, I'll write like this. Methanoic acid is HCOOH. When methanoic acid reacts with ethanol, CH3, CH2OH, okay, or C2H5OH. You can write anything, C2H5OH. But always prefer structural formula, okay? Yes. So when methanoic acid, I'll write the name also. So when methanoic acid reacts with ethanol, okay? So what you get here? Here now alcoholic group is ethanol. So while writing the name, it is ethyl methanoate. But while writing the formula, you have to bring the acid first. And before that, you have to keep that in mind. The OH from the acid group and the hydrogen from the alcoholic group goes as water. Keep that in mind. So what is there? HCO, right? That HCO. Then this O, right? This O. Then CH2, CH3, right? CH2, CH3. So see here, this is alcohol, this is acid. But while naming it, how will name it? Ethyl methanoate. Alcoholic group first, then acid. Ethyl methanoate. Alright? Yeah, this is how we have to write the esterification reaction. So whatever it is, the acid group should come while writing the formula first, and alcohol should come next. But while writing the name, alcohol will come first, acid will come next. That's it. Okay, very easy, children. Try and let me know. Bye bye.